I stumbled upon this footage from 2020, so it really is out of the vault, but I'd like to share it with you. I hope you enjoy. Welcome to Grace Garden, where I love to be, but I also love to travel and explore the big, beautiful garden that we all share. I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and I'm so glad you've come along. So thankful to enjoy the beauty in nature and to get to work with the things that I love. And to get to share all that with you. Join me for some awesome adventures in nature and at some other exciting destinations. I hope to inspire you and to document my memories. Thank you for coming along with me out into our Grace Garden. Hello, welcome to Grace Garden Florist. I'm Carol Kanicki. I own Grace Garden Florist, and today we're going to make a flower arrangement right here in the garden, in Grace Garden. I want to thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video. And just relax. Thank you for coming. I'm going to start with the greens in my hand. And once I have that done, I'm going to put that in the vase and then put the flowers in set singly. I'm making sort of an aperture for the flowers to sit into, to hold the stems where I want them to be. And once you get the greens in well, the rest of it is the fun part. These are euonymus that I just picked from the garden here. And I love this beautiful plant. So again, I'm just making a bouquet of the greens in my hand. I'm making it so all the fronts of the leaves, quote unquote fronts, face the center. I'm turning the bunch in my hand to work on the other side. But when you do it, some people poke them in and keep the bouquet still in their hand. When you do it, however makes you happy and allows you to be creative, that's the way you do it. Drop in. And all we want is just a background, colorful collar. And a place to start off with. I have my flowers laid out that I want to use, and I've gone over them all to make sure that there's, well, obviously I missed that one.
there's no unsightly bits that I don't want in my flower arrangement. You guys, that's pretty great. I have some gladiolas. And I took the bottom leaves off because I want this to be pretty stately. So I left the top leaf on. And I've heard that you're supposed to break the tops of the glads off, and that will encourage it to open all the way up. I don't know if that's actually true. I've never tested it, which is bad. I should. But the lady that told me to do it, I still do it in her honor, whether it works or not. Plus, sometimes the tops are a little ratty looking, so take that off. Normally, I have my vases up on an overturned bucket to work on them, but this vase is too tall or I'm too short, so it's sitting on the table directly. I'm looking to see, make sure my tulips, my roses are all the same height. Sometimes there's a taller one, and if I have a longer stem, I want to take advantage of that. When you order roses, they come in a great big bundle, and some of them are a little shorter than others because of the way they're stacked in the package. So you always want to take advantage of every little bit that you're paying for when you're buying flowers, and that applies to flowers that are purchased in a retail too. You want to know how to make the best of them. Use them to their best advantage. Now I'm planning on putting a couple of hydrangeas in here, and they're going to be very eye-catching because the rest of the arrangement's pretty pastel. So I'm leaving purposely places where I know I want to put those. And there's hardly anything on the back of this, and I left that on purpose, but I am going to check it out and make sure it's pretty back there. Anyway, and there's going to be a hydrangea back here. We'll put the hydrangea right there. Actually, let's do that now. Hydrangeas love, as their name suggests, love water. If you have hydrangeas and they start looking wilty, even potted hydrangeas in a plant or in your garden, and they look wilty, just shoot them with the hose. Or if it's a flower in an arrangement, you can actually submerge the entire flower stem in a sink of water and bring it back. If you accidentally let it go without water in it, and it gets frowny. I hope you can hear me, because I don't know how much my phone is picking up of sound, and that's what I'm recording on. Right now I have some tulips. I'm going to do the tulips after the hydrangeas. I'm tracing the stems with my fingers and guiding this down where there's a space. I'm trying to keep it pointing in the direction that I want it to be as it goes. You would think I'd have plenty of room in this great big vase. There you go. I hope you enjoyed working with me, and I hope I've encouraged you to get out and get yourself a bunch of flowers and have a play, and enjoy the beauty that they are. And if nothing else, I hope you enjoyed this one. And make sure you like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye now.